so excited to show you this home. It has so many updates. Let's start with this kitchen. Check it out. These 42-inch cabinets, stainless steel appliances, the gas range, and you have this beautiful tile backsplash with quartz countertops, dual ovens. You do have an RO system in this amazing kitchen island. Look, can you imagine yourself cooking in this kitchen? And you have cabinetry and storage on the side where the counter stools will be. And let's not forget this large pantry to store all of your kitchen items. Your kitchen opens up to your dining room and family room, where you will find the updated lighting fixture over the dining room table. You have such amazing natural light in this room because of all your windows and your 4-panel slider door. Also, you have to check out these high ceilings. They're 10-foot ceilings, and all of the interior doors in this home are 8 foot tall. So this is just elegance at its core. This home has a split floor plan, so right off the kitchen is your hallway to both your master bedroom and your laundry room, which is also amazing, with cabinetry for storage space, its own utility sink in there. And let's check out the primary suite. In this primary suite, you have 2 master closets. The first one right here as you enter the bedroom, and this room is so spacious as well, with an entry door to your backyard. And in through here, you have an amazing, huge bathroom. This is just dreamy with its own standalone tub, an amazing stand-up shower, and the second huge master closet is to die for. Continuing on from the front entryway, there's another hallway that takes you to bedrooms 3 and 4 and another full bathroom. And I have a surprise for you, but first check out this spacious 3rd bedroom that is amazing. And then over here, ta-da! Bonus teen game room. Who does not want this? Look at this amazing space. A full bathroom and your 4th bedroom over here. And once you're done checking up on the kids, just come right over here, put your feet up and relax, watch a movie, maybe eat some popcorn. It's amazing. This backyard is awesome. Check out all of this artificial grass with a playground set, and you have no neighbors behind you here. So you back up to a green belt. You have this gazebo that stays for your grill, which is amazing for entertaining. And this large back patio is already set up for your TV, which TV mount does stay. So it's all ready for you to entertain for football season. Well, I hope you have loved this home as much as I love it. This home is in the Church Farm community where you have amazing amenities. Within walking distance, you have a community pool with a splash pad, and you have a community garden, so much green space, a playground just around the corner. This home does not disappoint. You have to check it out.